Okay, the brain normally does not lose cells nor does it generate new cells. This was the old thinking. But latest study in the field of neurogenesis shows the following. While it's widely believed that brain cells, which are known as neurons, don't get replaced in adulthood, recent research suggests that neurogenesis, which means the birth of new neurons or brain cells, does indeed occur, though at a very low rate. Studies estimate that around 700, say about 1,000 new neurons, are generated each day in the hippocampus. And the hippocampus is a brain region which is crucial for learning and memory. Absolutely amazing. And as we know that the brain changes on a daily basis through a process known as neuroplasticity. And we know that one of the fundamental ways of improving the quality of your brain is through reading. So please encourage your children to read because reading is a vitamin tonic for the brain. Stay well, stay focused, stay mentally strong.